Running around checking the drain this morning. The girls are on their way to the cow shed. There's it. Easy out of the ground. He'll die. Collected the calf milk. Now I'm just cupping up the second row. I had a slight error, miscalculation. Double up there and a double up there. Whoops. Oh well. Well, more gone anyway. I did need two, but probably not so close together. Well, I'll keep milking. Still no Dad yet. He may have slept in, but good on him. Probably needs to sleep in. Right.
Hey Dad, morning.
How are you this morning?
Yes, your mother didn't wake me this morning.
Yeah, he slept in. Fifth row coming in now. He just arrived. Right, yep, we'll carry on. Just finishing up now. I'm finishing washing, putting the last rinse cycle through. Girls are still eating meal. And Dad is just out here washing the yard. Dad's fed these ones. I wonder why they've all got dots on their heads. Could it be the fact they're about to go outside? It's going to be some good silage one day soon. Well, not soon, for a while. When the calf smell gets off it. Bit wet street here. Go on, Tuggy, guys! Come on, Tuggy, come on! Come on! See, we're taking these calves, putting them through the next paddock. And Dad said tomorrow we're going to sort them out, big ones, small ones, and let the other ones that are in the shed outside. They'll be going outside tomorrow. Come on, Tuggy, come on! One's still over there. I can walk over there and get him. Come on, Tuggy! Just make sure there's no one left over here. Got the motorbike through there. I get stuck. Oh. Alright, that's everyone. Through the gate. Cut me off, boy! Get out of the way, Dopey! Come on, Sucky. Let's go. Through the gate. Good. The hip comes through. Right, let's go. Come on, Sucky, come on! Come on, Sucky, come on! Where the hay rack is. Right, you ready, suckies? You ready? On and on. You see these smaller ones like this? They're probably going to go out in with the other ones. Those four there, those three there. They're going with the little smaller cubbies. That's Dopey. He'll get to it eventually. Just on to washing the cafeteria now. Dad's pushing the little calvies outside. The first time. Gonna do them all stickers and everything at the same time. Taking them to cut the little calvies. That's not good. You left something behind. Poor little calvies. No milk today. I needed a shift. You're going straight across, not that way. Straight across. They'll be happy in there for a while. Well, for another 5 days, then the boys go and see them. Two of the boys anyway. Good, Jamie. Dad's pet cow. Just finishing up washing the vat. Got one job to do today. Do the rest of these inflations. Won't take me long, my trusty screwdriver and hoof knife. dropped off another 10 bags of calf meal for us. So yeah, I didn't hear him arrive. If I'd heard him arrive, I would have gone and helped him unload. But good man, thank you very much. So it's Takanini Feeds meal. Good stuff, works for us. So keeps calves well fed. Dad said that's it for today. So see you all at milking tonight. Follow the transport fellas come for the tractor. Let's get a wincher on. There she goes. She's off back to Piarco Tractors to go get fixed. See you when you get back, girl. Hopefully not too many issues. She is under warranty, so us done for. Oh, you're hopping on the wrong side. That's us done for this morning. I'll see you all at milking tonight. Time for breakfast. Good afternoon, everybody. So we've got our little calvies coming to come get their meal now. We are in the house paddock at the moment. The ones next door, they're back in the shed inside for some unknown reason. They like to be inside. Now there's both mobs of calvies fed. Girls are here. It's time to go milk some cows. You ready, Bubba? It's going awesome. These girls are all off. Yeah. Come on, ladies, up we go. Come on. Come on. Easy peasy. It'd be good if you pushed up, eh? Good. Another successful milking. Alright, well, Dad said we're going to feed out a bale of hay tonight. Here's plan B, we'll chuck it on the back of the ute. And he'll be driving around, I'll be chucking it off the side. That'll work just as well. Probably better. Not yet, still feeding out. Oh, he's speeding up! It looks like it! Keep going! Jeez. Oh. Yep, bit of willow weed coming up in this paddock, so we'll have to give that a bit of a spray, we will. Still a bit soft, but yeah, cows will enjoy a bit of hay tonight. Just fill them up a little bit. Give them a bit of fibre. Yeah, there's a string down there. Hard to get good stuff. That's for the day. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the morning. Thank you. More power. More power.